Singing in the rain. Sukhiya Kaka lived in a village called Bitauna. Bitauna was famous all over Rajasthan for its singers. No celebration was complete without Sukhiya Kaka's sweet songs. Today he had been invited to village Jhalaura. Sukhiya Kaka twirled his big mustache and set off. He was singing Rag Mulhar.
Come to me, O rolling clouds.
Suddenly, he heard dub 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 dub. Was someone giving a beat to his song? Dinoo, the dinosaur, came running towards him. Sukhiya Kaka was so happy to see him. You don't get such a big listener every day.
Come to me, O rolling clouds. Shower me with lovely rain.
Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo sang a duet and did a little jig to keep time. The clouds just had to listen to them. Lightning flashed and the wind danced. Dark clouds came rolling in. Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo laughed with joy. As the rain came pouring down, Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo shared a small umbrella. Then off they went to Jhalaura, following the smell of yummy pakoras, singing.
Oh, thank you for the lovely rain. Oh, la la la.
Dear reader, have you ever seen a dinosaur? Do you think they would have some songs? What do you like to do in the rain? What do you like to eat when it rains?